Today on Amazon Unboxing, we're going to be reviewing a product generating over $20,000 per month in revenue with only 27 reviews.
You're not going to want to miss it.
What's going on, everyone? I'm your host, Joel Popoff from the Jungle Market.
And I'm your host, Adam Zlotnick from JumpSend, and you're watching Amazon Unboxing.
It's the show where we take new everyday products sold on Amazon with high monthly revenue and low reviews, and we tear them apart to inspire you to replicate their success. So Adam, let's jump right on into it. What are we unboxing today? This one's big.
Well, Joel, today we're going to be unboxing the Dash Waffle Bowl Maker. This product does over 900 sales a month, over $20,000 per month in revenue, and only has 27 reviews. I'm pretty excited.
This product sounds incredible. I think it's going to be one of the best ones we unbox.
Yeah, all right, let's see. All right, we got the listing for the Dash Waffle Bowl Maker open here. We're going to have a look. First impression, I only see 2 images, Joel. What do you think?
That's sad, Adam. The fact that they're allowed to have between 7 and 9 images depending on the category that they're going after, and they only have 2, I can't believe it. This is literally one of the most important things you're supposed to do when creating an Amazon listing. Massive missed opportunity.
Yeah,
here.
I think the main image should at least show a waffle.
Of course.
Yeah, and then also there's just so much opportunity here in the description or in the bullets. They say that they can do savory waffles too. Like, I don't know. I want to see some of that as well. Let's just head over here. We did a search for waffle makers, and we found some images that we liked. So here you actually see the waffles. I think just a little bit of this stuff goes a long way. I think there's a lot of room for improvement here. Joel, what else can we tear down about this listing?
Adam, the next thing I want to bring up is their title. I'm loving it right now. It's very, very long. You can see that it's been stuffed full of keywords. Waffle bowl maker, waffle maker machine, individual waffle bowls. This is a really great looking title, but just in case, let's go check out Keyword Scout and see currently how their keywords are ranking.
Yeah, sure, Joel. Let's do a little bit of keyword research around this category. So to do that, let's just copy waffle bowl maker. We'll head over to the Jungle Scout web app. We got Keyword Scout here. We're going to paste that keyword in, and I just want to see what's going on in this category. There you go. The highest search volume would be for waffle maker.
Yep.
That's a little bit too broad for these guys, maybe.
Very competitive, too.
Either way, they have that in their title, so they're still doing okay. Waffle bowl maker here is what they have as the next thing that's most relevant.
Yep.
And the search volume's good. The recommended giveaway 11 per day is way less than waffle maker, so they actually have a pretty good chance of ranking on the first page.
100%.
I think they might be ranking on the first page already. I noticed here Dash, which is their brand name, is right there. So they got some props there for having their brand show up as a 1,500 search volume term.
Dang.
So props to these guys. They have a pretty good brand. And let's tear down something else about this listing, Joel.
I love that. Let's go.
You ready?
Adam, the last thing I want to go through that just really I couldn't believe it is their description. Look at this. Barely anything's filled out, and this is an actual brand that has a trademark.
Yeah,
and
that's
so it's
crazy.
Like, they have that opportunity to have that enhanced brand content, and they're not taking advantage of it. And I'm just like, what is going on here? And another thing that I was just like blown away by is look at their actual store. It's beautiful. They
That's
got
nice.
all these incredible product photos. They have a video. It's just such a nice looking store. Why are they not doing this to their actual listing?
I agree, Joel.
It's such a missed opportunity. Only has 2 photos, no video. Like, what are you guys doing? You can improve this so much.
I want to see a video of a waffle bowl being made.
Exactly. Me too. That's all I got to tear apart on this listing. Let's head over to the email, see how they're doing there.
Sounds good. All right, Joel, I got some bad news. Dash did not send us any emails.
No, come on, Dash. No
Yeah.
one has brand content and now no emails? What's going on here?
Yeah, over 900 sales per month. They're not sending emails. Think of how many reviews they could be missing out on if they just put an email together.
So simple.
Yeah, super simple. So instead, this episode, I made an email for Dash to help get them more reviews. Let's take a look.
Yeah, show me.
Yeah. So subject line, hi John or Joel, how about some waffle bowl recipes? I'd open that.
I love it.
we got a picture of the product. We got the stars. We know that we're asking for a review. It's got the recipes attached in the email. Only 10 minutes to set this up, and I think this would really help them get some reviews.
I totally agree, Adam. This is super simple, to the point, and I love that you gave them some extra recipes. It was just like an added bonus that they weren't really expecting. The fact that it's so easy to add reviews, this is amazing, and it only took you 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, it was really quick.
Dash, you got to get on JumpSend. If you guys are currently not sending emails like this to your customers, you got to sign up for JumpSend. It's so fast to send emails like this, and it makes a massive difference when you're trying to get early reviews.
Yeah.
I think we're done here, Adam. Let's move on.
All right, guys, we've torn down the listing. We've shown you what a great email looks like. Joel, tell everyone how we graded this product today.
Today we used the Amazon Unboxing Scorecard. This is what we've been using throughout this entire series to score all of our products. If you want it, you can download it in the description below for free. Go check it out.
Make sure you stick around to the end where we reveal the final score for this product.
Adam, it's my favorite part of the week. Drum roll, please. Let's unbox this. I want some waffles. This packaging is beautiful. It's a nice matte feeling. It's got like unprocessed your food. It tells you all about it and the company. It has really great imagery. I love this. Bowl me over, cleans up quick, faster and safer, fun, family fun. It's a really cool looking product, and we haven't even unboxed it.
Yeah,
Let's take it apart.
I'm excited.
Ooh,
oh man,
that's fancy.
What's this? Talk about insert.
That is the nicest insert ever.
This is.
Take some notes, people.
Get
this
cooking.
insert.
Recipes inside. Look at that.
Let's see what's inside there.
All right. That's safe in there.
Oh
okay.
god, yeah, definitely safe.
Okay. Which way does it go?
You can pull it apart. Ooh.
Oh, look at it.
It's pretty solid made. I like the light on it.
Man, this is a
Fun
awesome
color and stuff. This is really cool, Adam. I think we only have one thing left to do.
What is that?
Let's go make some waffles, man.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
What do we do first? So we need 2 of those. One more.
Yeah.
So the waffle mix.
1 and 1/3 cup.
1/3 milk. So let's see what else we put up. I think this is broken. Oh, this is some chunky stuff. Oh, Joel, check out this waffle bowl. All right.
Love it. That looks awesome.
Let's make something out of it. Nope, just kidding.
Come on. So we just finished making our very first waffle bowl, and I have a very special guest come here to help me review this product. Give a big warm welcome to Mr. Greg Mercer from Jungle Scout. Greg, we made you this.
I figured this part of the episode was right up my alley when they're talking about taste testing waffle bowls. This is
what we do on Amazon Unboxing, man.
All right, so first of all, the smell is amazing.
Smells good.
I have no idea what it tastes yet, but the smell, this is what you made it in?
Yeah.
Still hot, fresh.
Yeah, it heated up in like 3 minutes. Really
little
fast.
extra whipped cream.
A little extra?
Yeah, thanks. Ooh, man. This is good looking stuff.
I know. We get that A-class service here on Amazon Unboxing. We don't mess around. How is it?
It's delicious.
Oh, good enough. And
A nice crispy outside.
Mmm.
Inside's a little bit still soft and gooey.
Mm-hmm.
Whipped cream. Is this ice cream too?
Yeah. Oh, that's
Wow.
ice cream.
Dang, you guys hooked me up. It doesn't look like the bowl's leaking either. Nice.
No, yeah, it came out pretty darn good for our first try. Instructions were super easy to follow.
Not quite even, but for your first try.
We did our best. We're not chefs here. Like, what do you think of it?
Build quality seems decent.
Yeah?
I'd say 7 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely made in China.
Of course.
I can't touch it too much right now because it's still fiery
It's
hot.
still pretty hot.
But it looks like the non-stick works pretty good.
Yeah.
Lever, decent.
Yeah.
People love kitchen gadgets like this. I imagine it probably sells pretty well.
They're the brand's really killing it. Some of the things that we weren't too happy about is they had a trademark brand and they don't have enhanced brand content, which was a
Docked for that.
real bummer. And they only had 2 images.
Only 2 images.
Only 2 images, which was
Do they not know about the jungle market?
they must not know about the jungle market, but clearly they had someone that had designed a very beautiful insert. I've never seen anything like this. The experience of just opening it up and actually reviewing it, you don't see anyone do this. And this was
No, that's nice.
This is
Hello Foodie.
yeah, check it out.
Nice modern look. Good designs.
Mm-hmm.
The designs are much nicer than the overall quality of the product, to be honest. But it gives you a feeling of it's an overall higher quality product when like you open this up. The instruction manual itself, though, is not super high end, but the little packaging thing that they put it in was, and the designs of that are really nice. So right away, your first impression's like a pretty like high end thing.
Oh, of course.
So a great improvement for this product would be if they gave you a measuring cup. So right now we're trying to pour this stuff into here. You know, they tell you how much, a half a cup, but if you don't have a measuring cup handy, you know, it'd be really nice to have one that's already pre-measured for the perfect amount of waffle. Is it waffle?
Yeah.
Waffle solution. So you pour it in there, then bam. Because right now this has stuff overflowing all over it, which isn't the end of the world, but that would be a great bundle.
That's an awesome improvement, Greg. I think we're done here. Let's head off and give the final score for this product. Thanks so much, Greg.
I'll take this with me.
We got Adam back. It was so awesome to have Greg Mercer, CEO of Jungle Scout, in today's episode. I think he really enjoyed this product. Out of 150 potential points, we gave this product 105. That's a score of 70%. Adam, tell the people why they lost some points today.
These guys lost some really easy points by not having great product photography. They really missed out. They didn't send us any emails, and we really thought their description could have used some enhancement with that awesome content.
But they did so many incredible, great things. Like, this was amazing. We loved this. The experience of just opening this, you don't ever see things like this unless you hire a professional designer.
Absolutely.
Maybe they were on the jungle market. Who knows? They also had just like really great keywords in their listings, and it was just a fun product at an affordable price. I loved
agree.
it.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun.
Thank you so much for watching today's episode, guys. We really, really appreciate it. If you haven't already, check out thejunglemarket.com. We have pre-vetted Amazon freelancers that are waiting to help you grow your FBA business today. We got product photographers, copywriters, product researchers, designers, you name it. Check out thejunglemarket.com.
Also, head over to jumpsend.com, send better emails to your Amazon customers, promote your product to over 100,000 ready-to-purchase shoppers on our deals marketplace, and increase your product's search rank. We hope this episode of Amazon Unboxing has inspired you to start selling on Amazon. Don't forget to download the free scorecard in the description below.
If you enjoyed today's episode, smash that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye.